guys, it's Coupon with Niche. Welcome back to my channel where I teach you all how to save money on essential items. We are currently at Publix and I'm going to go through the breakdown for our preview deals for $6.17 until $6.23. Now, if you are in Florida, your deals will start on $6.18 to $6.24. We have some really good deals, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So before we get started, just a few tips when you go inside of Publix. You need to go to your information center and you need to grab you a coupon saver book. I always grab one of these just because we have some paper coupons in there and we may have some deals that are attaching to those. So when you go in, your information center is going to be right here, and this is going to be your extra savings flyer. So make sure to pick up one of these. We are going to start off strong with a paper deal. I did show you guys a brownie deal last week where they were $6.49 and we had that $1.50 coupon. If you all did not do that deal, we have another really good deal that's coming up starting tomorrow. We have our 6 double 12 regular rolls of brownie paper towels. They will be buy one get one free. Now the original price is $15.49. So if you are in a half BOGO state, you are going to pick up one of them for $7.74. Click this $1.50 coupon and you're only going to pay $6.24 for one. Now if you were in a true BOGO state, I would go to the brownie site and I would sign up and get a $1.50 paper coupon, and then I would have my $1.50 digital coupon attaching to both of them, and that will make your final cost for two just $12.99. Now Publix does have this donation that you can do up front and you'll get a coupon booklet. They do have brownie paper towel coupons in there. I believe it's $1 for each. So if you did that along with that paper coupon and the digital, you would only be paying $9.49 for both. So just a few options, but I absolutely love when we have paper deals because I go through these so quickly. Our Glade zipper bags will be buy one get one. Now this will be a really good deal if you want to take advantage of it, but I did post a Family Dollar deal where these are going to be buy one get one free starting on $6.18. So I will take a look at that video, but we have coupons in the Family Dollar app that's attaching that will probably make these a little bit more cheaper than they will be with the buy one get one free deal at Publix. You know it's going to be a good week when we have our laundry items on sale or BOGO. So let me go ahead and go through these deals with you guys. We have our Purex laundry detergent. They are going to be the sizes 59 to 75. They are going to be priced at $5.99. Now you could pick up a total of 2 of them for $11.98. You're going to clip this $3 off of 2 coupon, bringing you down to $8.98. And then you're going to go to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get a $1 back. Now the $1 back is only a limit up to one time, but that would make your net cost just $7.98 for both. We will have our Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. They are going to be buy one get one free. It's only valid on the sizes 130 ounce to 140 ounce. I'm going to pick up one of the 140 ounce, and I am in a half BOGO state, so I would pay $7.39 out of pocket for one. And then I'm going to go over to Ibotta and I'm going to get $5 back. It is a limit up to one time, but that will make my final cost just $2.39. If you all are loving the deals that I have showed you this far, go ahead and put a green heart in the comment section. Also make sure you're subscribed and like this video. That way you are saving more money. Starting tomorrow, we will have a promotion on our Cetaphil products, so we're going to get $3 off. Now, that is a Publix promotion. It is not a coupon. So we are going to look at the wash and shampoo that is priced at $6.99. We are already saving $3. We're going to get that $3 off that Publix is giving us. So we're going to pay $3.99 out of pocket for this. And then we're going to go to Ibotta, submit our receipt to get $1.50 back, making our final cost just $2.49. We have some really good oral care deals at other stores this week, but if you all are needing oral care and you're at Publix, let me show you what you need to pick up. We are going to have our Crest 3D White. They are going to be on a promotion of 2 for $8. So you could pick up any one and pay just $4 out of pocket. Y'all forever dropping stuff, but you'll pick up one for $4, and then you're going to clip this $1 coupon, only paying $3 out of pocket for one. Starting tomorrow, we will have a promotion going on our Old Spice, our Secret, and our Olay products. We are going to be getting $7 off when we spend $20 worth. So let me show you a quick scenario that you can do. So for this scenario, we are only going to grab deodorant, but if you all want to get some of the body wash, you can. But we are going to start off with this Old Spice deodorant that is priced at $3.99. We're going to pick up 2 of them, and we have a $3 off of 2 coupon. We are also going to pick up the Old Spice Fiji. They are going to be priced at $8.99. We are going to pick up a total of 3 of them, and we are going to clip the 6 off of 3 coupon. Your cart should look very similar to mine. Your total right now is $34.95. But with our 6 off of 3, our 3 off of 2, and our $7 that Publix is giving us, we are only paying $18.95 out of pocket. But then we're going to go to Ibotta and submit our receipt because we have an offer where we're going to get $2 back. Now, it is a limit up to 3 times, so we're going to get $6 back, making our final cost for every single deodorant just $12.95. Moving on to our next deal, we have a really good deal on our Pringles. They are going to be the party stack. They are buy one, get one free. So the original price is $3.29, and we have a $3 off of 4 coupon that is in our Publix app. So when we grab a total of 4 of them, our total is like $13.18. That is the pre-sale price. We will divide that in half, which will bring us to $6.58, and then that $3 will come off, meaning we are only paying $3.58 for all 4, or about 89 cents each for these large ones. Our Pepsi 12-pack of canned sodas will be buy 2, get 2 free. We are going to pick up a total of 4 of them. 4 of them will cost me $23.18, but I do have a $3 off of 4 coupon that will bring me to just $20.18, or about $5.04 for each one. The next 2 deals that we're going to cover, they are going to be on our ice cream and popsicles. If you all need to stock up, if you have kids out for the summer, this is just a really good time to go ahead and get this stuff. We do have some coupon matchups, so definitely make sure you go inside of your app and clip those coupons. We will have an amazing deal on our Bomb Pop popsicles. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Now, you will pick up a total of 6 of them. 6 of them at the pre-sale price will be $29.94. You will divide that in half. That will bring you to $14.97. And then you're going to clip this 5 off a $25 coupon. That coupon will apply because we already met that $25 threshold at the pre-sale price. So once that $5 comes off, we are only paying $9.97 for 6 boxes, which is amazing. We will have our Blue Bunny ice cream cones. They are going to be buy one, get one free. I am in a half BOGO state, so I would pick up 1 of them for $2.94. Clip that 75-cent coupon. I'm only going to pay $2.19 for 1. Now this next deal is probably one of my favorite. We are going to have our Halo Top ice cream. They are going to be buy one, get one free. And we have a coupon. So they are priced at $6.19. You do need to purchase 2 of them, but your total for 2 will be $4.19. So this is a really good time to stock up on some of like your favorite flavors or flavors you have not tried. We will have our Johnson baby products on this promotion that you're going to get $2 off. You could pick up one of the shampoos that are priced at $4.99. Get that $2 off automatically, only paying $2.99 for 1. That completes the full breakdown of deals that you could do for this upcoming week. I will do a full video starting tomorrow once the deals are live, but if you all are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.